are very happy now that the repatriation process for the Malawian nationals have started. We can safely say by the end of the day or tonight, about 700 of them from this temporary site will have moved to Mzimkhulu. Of course, we are looking forward to shutting down the site tomorrow if we are able to get enough buses for the 2,000 people that are here. But we are very happy that we are now having the situation under control. And yes, of course, the intention is to ensure that they are moved safely to their homes so that at the end of the day, all the challenges that we have been facing, one as a country but as a city, are addressed.